Currently at a different supermarket now. Let's see what we got. No Land Rover, no Top Gear, classic cars, period living. For goodness sake. No PVW again. Dun dun dun. This is Chloe's car, and keeps losing charge, not starting. And I think if we just change that is been mashed up, hasn't it? So I'm just going to swap that over. We'll see if it still loses charge. Look at that. Look at the difference. There we go. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Cool. That's the job done. I haven't recorded any videos for about a day and a half because the weather is just so... Just doing a coffee run. I don't drink coffee, but Chloe does, so... Yeah, I got rid of social media. It's been really, really nice. I tell you what, I don't really miss it at all. There's pros and cons, of course, don't get me wrong. Like, I miss talking to friends like that are on the other side of the world, or they don't have WhatsApp or YouTube, so there's no real way of contacting them. That's the only downfall, is that I've lost touch with what's happening in America and things like that. And you know, because I've come off of Facebook, I've come off of Instagram, so I don't really get to see what's going on. Oh, this is horrible. Look at that rainbow. That's pretty cool. So one of the biggest reasons why I quit social media is because I just found myself just doom scrolling, just constantly, and just I felt like I was wasting a lot of time. And now that I've got that time, I've been like either really productive with YouTube. As you've seen, I've been putting out like a video every day, which is great. And I've been able to get stuff off my chest through video. People are still able to keep up with what I'm doing and stuff like that, which is great. I've even got more time I've got more free time. I've got more free time with the family, which is great. And what I've been doing is watching a lot of like Netflix and Amazon Prime stuff. I tell you what, we watched the Dahmer story, you know, Jeffrey Dahmer. It was like a reenactment thing. That was amazing, like really well shot and absolutely amazing cinematography and storytelling. We also just watched The Watcher last night. It's a series called The Watcher. Don't watch it, it's a train wreck. It like bored me to tears. Time to get some bagel burgers. Can we just appreciate the beading on this? Look at that. That's amazing. Shout out to Matt at Cricket Customs for waxing this hood/bonnet. Nice one, man. Looks good, eh? Look at the chrome bumper. I have this one already. Do you reckon PVW? Nope, no PVW. Oh, for God's sake. You see this car here, right? It's a Honda Civic. This was my first car. And now we've upgraded to this son bitch. This is where I need your help. I'm in the UK. I've tried to get Poppy's patina and patina sauce from the US, but it just won't happen. It won't happen. As much as I've tried, they won't send it to me. So I need another solution to protect the rust. I'm in the UK. What products can I use to protect the rust from it getting worse here in the UK? Let me just say that again. In the UK. It's no good saying you need to get Poppy's patina and patina sauce because they don't want to send it to the UK, all right? At the moment, all I have is boiled linseed oil. And I've used it before and it went well. I'm going to use that again today, but I am looking for another alternative. please let me know in the comments below what products are out there in the UK that I can use on the Rust to make it, to protect it. You know, I'm all about protection. Here's my upgraded plan for the future for this truck. I've always wanted to do North Coast 500. We've traveled to Scotland many times in my girlfriend's car, but not this. So my plan is that I'm gonna upgrade the engine from this original gas engine with a 3-speed gearbox. I wanna upgrade that to a PD 130 with a 5-speed gearbox. We're going from gas to diesel, which means that my money is gonna go further with fuel, or the truck is gonna go further with fuel. Also, we've tried so hard to get a gem top over here in the UK, but it's just too expensive to ship over. It's just not gonna happen right now. It's not in the cards right now. So what we want to do is, instead of camping in a tent every night, I want to get some sort of fiberglass topper for the back with side windows, maybe a custom build. It's got to be in line with the truck roof, so it's going to look like a gem top, and we're going to sleep in the back. And I think that would be the perfect setup for going camping, doing the North Coast 500. That is a big bucket list for me. My friend Sam did it the other day. He took his Caddy, which has got a PD 130 in it. He also took a teardrop on the back, and they did it just fine. And oh, it's on my bucket list. It'll be so cool to do. For you. For you. I've got an idea. Sometimes you gotta let gravity take control. using boiled linseed oil and rags, I would definitely recommend just submerging this in a big bucket of water, and don't just throw it out in the trash, because apparently these can catch on fire just as they are. So this is no joke. Absolutely submerge this in water after using boiled linseed oil. Don't try this at home. I'm just trying to cover my own back. Don't be an idiot. Don't follow what I'm doing. This might work for me, but it might not work for you. Don't ruin your vehicle, and don't blow yourself up or catch on fire. Soiled application cloths should not be left where they may constitute a fire hazard, as they can be liable to self-igniting without warning. Immediately after use, wash all clothes with soapy water and dispose of safely outside. Clean equipment with Baratoline white spirit. So that is the truck, washed, polished, boiled linseed oil for protection. Apparently you're supposed to use patina protection about twice a year. So this is the second time this year. This thing fell off. Damn it. Guys, big news. The website, themonsterrabbit.com, are now stocking 3XL and 4XL t-shirts. I have been emailing the guys over that do my shirts and stuff. I've been saying, look, not all of us are built like Walter Poplin, okay? Some of us need a 3XL because, you know, their sizes are quite tight at first. So I'm super excited to announce that we now stock 3XL and 4XL, which is great because I'm a big fan of oversized t-shirts. I just feel more comfortable. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know that on the website now we're stocking larger sizes. So have a look. We've got some new designs on there for this festive Halloween season. I hope you enjoy them. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know. In other news, as some of you know, here in the UK, me and a couple of the other guys that have trucks, we do something called Caddy campers. Now, I know this is not a Caddy. Don't get me started. Let's look. This year, we went to the Peak District. We went camping for a weekend. It was really fun. A bunch of Volkswagen trucks, Caddies, and this one, obviously. It was really good fun. And so we're going to make it an annual thing. It's not like an event where you need to buy tickets and stuff like that. The whole deal is we go camping somewhere at least once a year. The location will change each year. Next year, we're going to try and camp in North Wales, so Snowdonia area. Now, you're more than welcome to come along, even if you don't have a Caddy or a truck or a Mark 1. If you have a Volkswagen and you watch the show, you're a fan of the show, and you just want to meet other like-minded people, then please do get in touch. Maybe leave a comment below just so we can see how many people are interested. Remember, this is mainly for the UK guys who have a Volkswagen. Also, by me saying this, it gives you enough time to get your vehicle ready for the road, get it MOT'd, and yeah, we're hoping to perhaps do this Caddy Campers 2023, maybe around April, maybe. I don't know. I'm yet to talk to the guys, but we just want to see who else would be up for getting involved. So far, there's about 4 to 6 of us, all keen to go Caddy camping next year. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe you've got a Mark 1, maybe you've got a Mark 2, maybe you've got a T4 or a whatever the case may be. I'm sure you're really going to enjoy the company of other Volkswagen enthusiasts. So if you want to join us with Caddy camping next year, leave a comment below. We're going to do t-shirts for all the people that turn up, and it should just be a fun, gay old time. Gay as in happy, not gay as in, you know. All right.